Welcome to Mom's Trini Cooking. Today I will be making fried plantain. Plantain is a favorite West Indian dish. You can have it as a side dish, or you can have it in roti or bread with like a sandwich. If you want to see how I do my plantain today, keep looking. This is how the plantain should look when you are going to make fried plantain. It's usually green when you pick it. And if you leave it a few days, it gets black. The blacker it is, the sweeter it is. So, you touch it, it gives a little like this. That means it's ready for frying. I'm going to show you how I peel and cut my plantain. You use your fingers a lot more than the knife itself. You cut it in half, then you go like this. This is the thickness of the plantain that I like to do. It's like around 1/8 of an inch, I would say. And why I like this thickness is because it fries faster. It doesn't soak up too much oil because we do fry it in oil. We don't measure, we just cut because we're so used to doing this from our little girls growing up cooking with mom and dad, or mom more, not dad too much. I have my frying pan on the stove. It's on medium heat. I'm going to add around half a cup of oil. Let it heat up a bit because the hotter the oil is, it fries faster also. The oil is heated up enough. I'm going to add my plantain to the pot now. This is what it should look like when you put it in. So we're going to leave it until it gets golden brown on one side, and then we'll flip it to the other side. It's been frying for around 2 minutes. I'm going to flip it now. You can have it a little bit lighter than this if you want. A little bit lighter or darker. I like it like this. It's been frying for around 2 minutes or so on the other side, or a little bit less. It fries faster as you go along. I'm going to take them out now, and I put a paper towel to absorb the excess oil that might be on it. Fried plantain. Delicious, easy, just plantain and some oil. Enjoy. If you want to see more of my videos, subscribe, share, like, and keep watching. Thanks. Bye-bye.